Welcome to the Professional Development Collaborative, an initiative of Learning Forward. As part of the Professional Development Collaborative, you will be using a discussion board. The discussion board will house all kinds of resources, readings, videos, and it will be the repository where you will find the required readings that you will need to review prior to the module. So write down this URL because you will use it several times throughout the collaborative course. Now I'm going to take you to the discussion board itself. So once you enter the URL, it's going to ask you to become a member before allowing you into the discussion board. And then you become a member by putting in your email and a password. Once you do that, you then will be entered into the room and you will get to this main board. The way that the board is set up is very similar to the way the modules will play out within trauma-informed care, our very first topic. And so Module 1 is understanding trauma and trauma-informed care. Module 2, sources of trauma. Module 3, case scenario. And Module 4, resilience. So prior to the very first session, you'll go into Module 1 and you're going to definitely want to click on the required readings because you need to have read those prior to beginning. And then if you want to look at the additional readings and resources, the way you get to that is by going to the top of the screen. And this is set up kind of like a file cabinet. So I click back on the drawer, if you will, for the readings, and you'll see there's additional readings here, and I click on that link, and I have links to additional readings, and then I see there's a video there as well, so I go back in, and I click on the video, and there's the link to the video. Now, if I want to go back to the main page, then I go right back up to the top, and I can click on that link, and it'll take me back. Or if I want to just jump into another module, I can select it from the drop down. But I want to go back to the main screen. So I want to show you Module 2 is set up exactly the same way. I'm going to click on the link. And on this module, we only have required readings. There's no additional readings or videos, but you can see there's a lot of required readings that you're going to need to have reviewed prior to engaging in Module 2. Let me go back to the beginning again, my main screen. And modules 3 and 4 are set up the exact same way. So prior to engaging in the trauma-informed care training program, I encourage you to get into the discussion board, play around with it a little bit, get comfortable with it. You're definitely going to want to tackle all the readings prior to and get comfortable with using the board. If you have any issues, do feel free to email me at lnorris@fedcap.org or call me at 401-316-9865. Thank you so much for engaging in this brief presentation, and I look forward to working with you as we unpack trauma-informed care.